bet a lot of independent lodging property owners feel the same way as that owl at the end of the month. Where did my marketing budget go? Whether you're spending $1,000, $10,000, or even $100 a month, you might think, why is so much of my budget going to online advertising? Well, there's a place for that. You can definitely use online advertising to market your property, but you can also use what you already have to market your property for free. So join Pat McCauley from InsideOut Solutions and me, Annie Buck, from Acorn Marketing at 3:15 on Tuesday to learn how to use what you already have to market your business for free. Hope we see you there.